Drop a drink, buckle up, and watch this video if you're serious about earning money online and want to know where to get online employment. Online revenue is possible. Working for 4 separate companies as a transcriber. As someone who has been transcribing for more than 3 years, I can assure you that transcription is one of the most lucrative internet occupations. You can even work for more than one organization. It's a wise decision if you want to make online work your main source of income or if you want to conduct it as a side business. Getting these employment is now the difficult part, which is where I step in. I'd like to let you know that the team at AlphaSights is presently hiring transcribers. I'll tell you all there is to know about the position, including how to apply. But before you do, kindly subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and enable the bell for notifications. Now let's get going. AlphaSights is a provider of information services that links clients with subject matter specialists. Their main office is in London, but they also have branches in the US, Europe, Asia, and the Middle East. With over 1,200 employees and headquarters in New York, Dubai, and Tokyo, AlphaSights is a reliable corporation. You will be a freelance transcriber for them, which comes with a flexible schedule. Therefore, you only work when you are free. As a result, you will be able to work from home. In fact, the appeal of freelancing is that it allows you to work whenever you want, from wherever you are. Therefore, your responsibility at AlphaSights is to convert audio and video footage to text. The transcribers are actually referred to as business transcriptionists. Please be aware that they forbid their transcribers from using software for automatic speech recognition. Therefore, if you're the type of transcript who uses AI or other automatic speech recognition software to aid in your transcription, this work may not be the greatest option for you, especially if you struggle with transcription from scratch. My research indicates that you'll earn $55 per hour. This translates to 91 cents every audio minute being paid to you. Now, assuming you do not work every day, if you are able to work for 1 or 2 hours per day for 20 days, you will be able to earn $1,100 every month. If your monthly income target is $2,000, you'll need to put in about 36 hours of work each month to reach that objective. In case you were wondering, a transcript typically takes 1 or 2 people 6 hours to complete. Therefore, a novice transcriptionist will need more time. I recall recording my first audio in just a couple of days. Some may even take a week to finish only an hour of audio. It takes time since transcription is a skill, and the more you perform it, the more you hone it. As a result, you enhance your listening skills, your typing speed, your ability to conduct research quickly, your ability to proofread quickly, and your turnaround time. Therefore, it may take another transcriber 6 hours or even less. If you have so far found this video to be helpful, do let me know by clicking the like button. AlphaSights is more than just a transcription company, in contrast to the majority of the companies I have evaluated on this channel. I'm going to apply because they need transcribers with at least 3 years worth of experience. Understand why? Because they only need employees who can perform their duties, deliver on their promises, and meet their expectations. If you can demonstrate that you have these qualities, you will be hired regardless of your level of experience. As a result, while submitting your application, be sure to define your value proposition clearly. This is a basic transcribing need. Applying professionally means having excellent grammar skills, being able to utilize transcribing software like ExpressScribe, and being able to meet deadlines. Trust me, nobody wants to offer someone their job only to have them fail to produce it on time. This is merely an aside. On a smartphone, transcription will be extremely challenging. Actually, post-transcribing firms need you to have a laptop or desktop, because I know I'm going to get this question about whether people can work on this job on a phone. I'm not sure if anyone has ever tried and succeeded in doing this. My recommendation is to get a laptop or gain access to one. Don't get me wrong, though. You can perform easy tasks such as paid surveys online using your phone. In addition to what I've listed, you must have Microsoft Word and be prepared to sign an NDA if you use a laptop or a desktop. You must fill out this registration form in order to apply. As a result, you will give your name and other basic information. After that, add your resume, making sure to highlight your experience with transcription. Additionally, you will upload a cover letter. Before submitting your application, please make sure the 2 documents are prepared. All regions are on the list, which is why I stated you could work from any place, and you may add details like your years of professional experience. How many hours a week will you devote to using AlphaSights? How many audio minutes can you transcribe every day? What time zone do you typically work in? What transcription software do you use? If you have a LinkedIn profile, please add a link to it. You'll have to wait 6 months before reapplying if your application is denied. And for that reason, you shouldn't make this application right away. Give it some time. They will check your CV and cover letter after you submit your application, and if they like what you're selling, they will call you for an online interview. If the interview goes well, you'll be hired and given a job right away. You will work on long-term projects and have consistent employment, which was listed in the job description as one of the benefits. For individuals who wish to work as transcripts full-time and earn a steady income, I believe this is a fantastic possibility. I frequently inform my readers about chances like this one. The description of this movie includes a link to the AlphaSights, so if you haven't subscribed, you are seriously losing out. Keep in mind that I am not endorsing them. This is not an advertisement. I'm just giving you information. Before applying for the transcription jobs at AlphaSights, please conduct your own investigation. When putting together your application, the more knowledge you have about the business and the position, the better. Now, keep in mind that you can only apply for this position, you are not required to. If you feel completely at ease with all the information I have provided. In addition, if you decide to apply, do take your time assembling the form. It won't be simple to do this task. No online job is simple, particularly if it pays well. Put your best foot forward, and remember that AlphaSights may stop hiring at any time for any reason, just like any other firm. I don't know if they will be hiring when you watch this video. All I know at the moment you see this video, which is really, very much, is that they are hiring right now. Since it is past the time of this recording, you can check their website using the link in the description below to see if they are still recruiting. That's it for today's video. Please subscribe, turn on the notifications bell and hit that like button. See you in the next video.